channel. It is Christmas. We have on our Christmas pajamas and we're about to open up some gifts. Okay, Jennessey, you ready to open up your gifts? These gifts are from your mom and Santa. So which gift do you want to open up first? You can open up whichever gift you want.
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Oh my god, you got Roblox?
Yeah.
You got Roblox money?
No, Roblox.
Oh, you got Roblox? High five. Cool. Whoa! You guys, I did my Christmas tree like pink and blue cotton candy.
Are these shoes?
Yeah.
I love shoes. What kind of shoes are they anyways? Are they Crocs?
Open it up.
How do I open this? Oops. What's this? Stickers! Sticker.
Jennessey got her nails done too.
I've been wanting these Crocs for days!
You did?
Yeah, I love Hello Kitty.
Can I see? Try them on. Let me see how they fit. Okay, period.
What is this?
Christmas nails. What color are they? Let me see.
Red and green.
Red and green?
Yeah. Let's leave it open like that. You get to open your gift too.
I get to open my gift too? Okay, I'll open it in a second.
No way!
Oh my god, what is it?
It's a mini brand of straws. I've been wanting these so bad. Yay! No way.
Show it to the camera too. Oh my god,
This
what is that?
It's a
An LOL doll?
Yeah, I love this girl now because her looks so pretty. It's a little thing, but this should be the daughter.
It's the daughter?
Mm-hmm.
Let us see what it is. Show the camera. Ooh.
I will curl this up. Some of these are so hard to open. What are these? They might be some. Are these shoes again? It's so hard to open.
It's so hard to open?
Yeah. You have to open the big one at last. Is this the purse? Or is it clothes? Or the rain boots?
How do you know?
I don't know. Sorry. I have to open it.
Who wrapped that gift like that? Me? Oopsies.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
This is so pretty.
Show the
Thank
camera.
you.
Oh.
It's so pretty. This works.
Oh my
I
god.
like to open it like that. So, are these a scientist? I wanted this at the store. Oh my god. Sorry, camera. Oh my god. They have a suit with it? Look at this.
Oh my god. What is that?
That's a scientist thing, and look at it came with a suit, and look at it. Oh my goodness!
Cool, Jennessey.
I wanted that at the store. Remember, I wanted that at the store.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look it, guys. It came with these, and then look at, see, it came with this.
Oh my god. For Christmas today.
Yay! At the end, we get to open the big present.
Okay.
My mom gets to help me. I cannot open this right now. Wait. What are these again? Oh my god! Are these shoes again? That's what it looks like. I know what it is.
How you know?
Because I see the thing right there. And I know what it is. So that's why I know. Thanks. These are so beautiful.
They are. Show the camera. Let me show the camera. Ooh, we got some silver sequin Uggs. Pretty.
This is leave it like that.
And she got some black rainbow Uggs. Pretty.
Are these another one of this? Seriously, you got me another one?
You like it?
Yes.
You gotta show the camera.
Okay.
She got one of these.
I got
Two
two.
of these. Ooh, what color are they look like?
They're pretty.
This one's a bear and this one's a monkey.
Whoa. And at the end, we get to open the big present. We both get to open it, Mom. You know that. That's me. Wait. What's this stuff?
What is it?
Look
Oh,
here.
Sparkle Studio. Wow, that looks cool.
Yeah. It's so pretty and it glows in the dark.
It does?
Yeah. Next present. No way. These stuff are so pretty. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And look at the wait, what's this? What? Look. This is so pretty. And look at, and guys, my mom's so sweet. Look at this. Look at
Oh, that's
Yeah,
red.
this. Yeah. And look at this Hello Kitty. So beautiful.
So pretty. Where are you gonna wear that? You gotta take all this stuff out and show them.
Can I dump it out?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's so heavy. Hold on, guys. Look at all these clothes my mom got me. Wait, is this a dress? It's so pretty. Wait, how? Look it, guys. Pretty dress.
You got a cute shirt.
Yeah, so pretty. And you got me this? It came with something?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a puppy. Look at this. And it looks like a real puppy. See? So pretty. Wait. You got me this right to work out?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then you got this in the bag.
What is it? I love the color.
You do.
Yes.
And then you got this in the bag.
What are these for?
Bracelet.
For who? For me?
Yeah.
So pretty. And let me see what else I got.
You got a doggy? Show them your doggy.
Look at my doggy, guys. So pretty.
So pretty.
I have a lot of mess right here. Whoa. Look at that doggy. That's her new. That's Bia's new friend.
That's her new friend.
Yes. Wait. What is this? A new toothbrush?
Oh my god, you got a new toothbrush?
Yes. I'm so happy what I'm getting.
You are?
Yeah.
I'm glad, Jennessey. Where are you gonna wear this Hello Kitty shirt?
I don't know.
This is so cute. You're gonna wear that with your Hello Kitty Crocs right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear those stuff at daycare.
So
Wait.
pretty.
Look it, guys. I got my new toothbrush.
Ooh. This is an electric toothbrush. This is for big kids. Cool. Merry Christmas, girl.
All the toys go down there. And all the clothes go up there. And they're putting them up there. Who's wrapping this like this? another pair of shoes. Again, you got me a lot of shoes right now.
You got a lot of boots because it's cold outside. It's winter time.
And you got me a pot. Oh my god. Did you take this part all the way off?
Mm-hmm.
Boots. Again. But I don't like zippers.
You don't?
Yes.
Let me see. Let us see. There's no zippers.
Look.
Oh. There's a zipper on here?
Yeah.
But it's still cute. They match my boots.
I know.
You like them?
Yeah. Give me them. I'm gonna just leave it open. You got me matching ones. Thank you for giving me matching ones.
You're welcome.
Why is this already ripped? Bia ripped it?
Yeah, Mia, you ripped our Jennessy's present.
That's alright. It makes it easy. Wait, what is this? Is this a canned Barbie? And it came with a... Look at guys!
Oh my god! You get the camping boy.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, and there's two more. I mean, how much there is now? There's still a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Is this a whole set of coloring? Oh my god. I wanted this, but I didn't see it. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
You're welcome.
for all these presents.
She got a light up tracing pad. Ooh, okay. So you could draw and it's gonna light up.
Yeah. And look at what else I got.
Ooh,
Makeup.
You got makeup from Miss Julie?
Yeah.
Your daycare got you this?
Yeah. Next. 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 This is the big set of these. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ooh, she got Barbie Chelsea veterinarian.
Yeah, I still have more. They're right over here.
So cute.
Ugh. See what else I got here? Wait. Bessie bracelets. I'll make you one.
You'll make me a bracelet? Thank you. What color is it gonna be? Pink
Yeah. Can you like?
or gold?
Which color do you want? What is already open?
Oh my god.
Which color do you want?
Pink and gold.
Okay.
Let me see.
Wait. Show them.
Look, guys. She got bracelet.
Looks so high. Yay. Wow, what? Oh, I thought I already opened that one. More. Because I just saw the one right there. Oh my god. Why is Beyond asleep here?
She's smelling all your gifts.
Wait. The cat was just biting the can toy right here. For just biting.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
I was gonna say at the store, I was gonna say I wanted this, but it was too late because you was tired.
I was tired.
Yeah, so I couldn't say it. And I wanted this so badly. Thank you for getting it for me. Now we can have a tea party.
We can have a tea party.
Yeah, in my room. Wait, one more. I mean, there's one more. It's so hard to get it. We have another one right coming. It's coming. Ugh. You're gonna have to clean all this up, Mom. I'm sorry.
You're gonna have to help me.
I know. I know I have to help you. Is this another one of these? Thank you. This girl is so cute. Her looks like just like you.
She do?
Yeah. Her look just like you. Let's show the camera.
So pretty.
One more present. And tell them we're gonna have a party.
We're gonna have a Christmas party today?
There.
Yeah, we are.
This is so heavy. We're gonna have to clean this up right now. And the second one. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Thank you for helping me. Is this a brand new jacket? I've been wanting this. This is
Try it on. Let's see how it looks.
Okay. We got this, guys. Look it. Wait, what's behind there? Oh, it's zipped up a little bit. So I can put it on. Wait. Thank you. This is so pretty.
You're welcome. Where are you gonna wear that to?
To a fancy party.
For real?
Yes. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Wait.
Ooh, you gonna be Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse?
Minnie Mouse, I mean. This is so pretty. I'm gonna wear some of them to daycare.
For real?
Yeah. These fancy pants I want. I like them.
You like those?
This is so pretty. Look at it, guys.
Ooh.
Wait, what's this, Mom? I love it. Look it, guys.
So pretty.
Wait. Oh my God! Look it.
Oh, what is that?
It's a sweater, I think, and it came with cute pants. And I don't know why all my clothes are table. Wait. New shoes. It's fun. Look at these, guys. These are so pretty.
So pretty.
Look it. They're so cute. Whoa, jeans? You got me jeans? Those are so cute. Wait. Look at this. So pretty. Did this came with this?
Mm-hmm.
And this is pants.
Leggings.
Yeah. They're so pretty. Whoa! Is this a new jacket? It's so pretty. These are Christmas pants?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, they're so pretty. Do they fit? Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
No, they don't. No, they don't. Because it looks so big. Wait, are these shorts?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. See that? Oh my god. It came with that. It's over there. No way. So beautiful. It's so pretty.
You like it?
Yes. Ow. Is this a new jacket? Oh my god. And at the end you get to help me open the big one.
I can. Yay.
Look at this. So pretty. And I'm almost done with this one, and you can help me open the big one. And look at this. It's so pretty. It matches the Barbie dress.
It did.
Mm-hmm. What is this? Pair of pants? They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Everything, all my stuff is. And thank you for all my. Wait, what? Are they shorts?
Yeah.
I actually showed it. Wait a minute. Okay. It's time to open the big one. Come on.
Somebody called us so we couldn't open it. I mean, we couldn't open it on camera, but wow, Jennessey.
Can you be the customer?
Yeah.
And mom. And when we're at the lake and we bring our things, when we always rather go to the lake, then we have to bring this to the lake when we're going to the lake. And you have to be the customer.
Have to be the customer?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Are these cupcakes?
Is it cupcakes in there?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Is there more wrapping on the back? Oh my god, I have to wrap it on the back. I have to unwrap it on the back. I'm gonna play with all these toys. More wrapping right here. Bia, come and help me.
Jennessey's finished opening up her gifts.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, and we hope you guys all had a safe, fun
Yay.
Christmas.
Yay. Bye.
Bye.
Peace. Peace out.
Yeah, I mean today, if all that crap ain't going by.
Oh.
Oh. Jasmine, is this before I work out?
Wait.
Sorry, you got some stuff in there.
This is gin?
Oh my God. Jennessey.
I love it.
Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.